Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This Sanyo VRF system inverter AC board control board reported fault is E04 by the end user. When I visited the site and found that this board is not powering on, its LEDs were off. Let's start and we will see what is the problem here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are unisolated live voltage, because it is very complicated board. When I checked here, 320 volt DC were available. It's filter board, that is also a very large board that delivers power here. Its main problem, E04. Communication is not established with indoor units. 5 indoor units and our indoor units are giving same fault, E04. That means communication failure. On ground inspection give me a clue that its power supply is not on, its LEDs were off. At this connector, 320 volt DC enters here and it converts into power supply, and it is using here STR L352, this IC. It receives here DC in, ground positive. These two lines enter here. This positive line, it is connected to fuse, then to the dual line filter, and negative from here coming to here dual line filter. After filter, ground side will reach here to this STR module, and positive voltage will go to transformer winding. At this point, this is positive terminal and this is drain pin. IC will drive here. It is resonant power supply STR L352. I tried to resolder it, but it not worked. Continuity. At this connector, positive pin, positive voltage are reaching here at this point of transformer. Negative point from here, this point, filter, and then it is reaching to this IC ground pin, and this is drive pin. Diode, one diode, that is peristic diode for the body. In the reverse condition it is blocking, that means it's good. So we will find a resistance here of the transformer primary winding. Transformer primary winding must provide resistance here. If we check with other pins, no continuity. This is primary, this section, these are output sections, and this side there are multi outputs. Other windings are good, its primary winding is open circuit. Let's remove this transformer and then we will check it. I will mark it to identify the primary side. So I will mark it to identify the primary side. First I will clean it. Yes, we can see the problem here. Oh, fantastic. This wire this is due to upsides. So strange fault. This is disconnected from this point. If you have yes, now that's good. This problem is solved now. Let's install it. This was our problem. because I don't have filter board now, rectifier and filter board. So I will take DC 300 volt from here to power on this circuit, because I need to turn on its power supply section. So I will take DC voltage from here. Positive here, negative here, because this negative is connected to VCC capacitor negative terminal. This is positive terminal, and this negative terminal from this capacitor. Let's check it now. Take care for the safety. Yes, that's nice. It is now turned on. Yes, it is waiting for command line. Here is communication signal. Check first output. First section 7.5 volt. Second section 15 volt. 16 good. 16 good. 16 good. 16 good. 11 good. That means this board is now recovered. This board was dead. It was not working, but now it started working. Its voltage are now present, so it will start communication. This is communication section. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, सवाल हो तो कमेंट में लिखिए। अपना और अपने प्यारों का बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त आप सबको सलामत रखे, अपनी हिफाजत में रखे। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।